Hi everyone and welcome back to Barker's Cocktail Bar with me, the fabulous, the one, the only, Benetton Crazy Marcus. Hope you're all having a nice week so far. Now, I know it's a bit early, but I thought with Halloween coming up just round the corner next month, guys, I thought I'd do a bit of a creepy sort of cocktail. This week I'm going to be doing a Joker. Now there's a few different recipes online that you may see for a Joker, like most cocktails, but hey ho, Barker's Bar. This is the recipe I'm doing. What you're gonna want: bottle of Contra, however you want to pronounce it. That's basically a liqueur, 40% volume. Blimey, now we're gonna be hammered. Add for carb as well. Christmassy drink, supposedly egg flavoured liqueur. Mike saying he's not a fan of it. Some vodka, 35.7% vodka, guys. Shot of that and you'll be bladdered. And your non-alcoholic gear, we've got some lemonade, lemon and lime type stuff, and some fizzy orange. So, let's get to pouring. The recipe I've got offline, it don't really give much instruction, to be honest. Just says add all the ingredients to a highball glass and stir it. Don't tell you which to add first. Just basically says the lemonade's used to top it up. I'm gonna mix it in my jug, so yeah, let's have a bit of fun, shall we? Gonna add some vodka first. If you're wondering why I'm laughing, it's because I've got Mad Mike and Scooter Sue sat out with us today. Oh, that nerves. Bit of contra. Now, I'm only adding drops of this stuff because it is quite lethal. Mad Mike tried some the other night. And well, yeah, we were a bit tipsy. He's panicking now, guys. He is panicking. You can smell it from here. Bit windy today. I mean, I did warn Mad Mike about having a curry. Never listens. Next up, bit of avocado. Yeah, you could probably make porridge with that. I mean, not porridge, custard. That really does not look nice so far. I am so dreading this. Next up, bit of fizzy orange. Now, I would show you me pouring it into the jug, but because it's like a 2 litre bottle, I'm going to leave the jug on the bar while I pour it. So then, that enough? Now, I'm thinking this is meant to go like a purple colour. I'm not entirely too sure. Way my look's been going lately, it will probably go with black. Last but not least, top it up with some lemonade. Comment down below what you think of these lids on the bottle, guys. Bit annoying, ain't they? Okay, that's going to fizz over, I think. No. Then, just stir it. That looks nothing like the picture I've seen online of it. God. This really does not look like the picture I was shown. Finish it off by pouring it into some glasses, and it's leaked everywhere. Oh God. We'll see them like some as well. It does not look nice, guys. Let me tell you that for a start. Oh God. No time to try it. Oh God, what have I got myself into? Bottoms up, I guess. I'm not gonna smile if it does smile. I'm getting there. I'm trying to like get the taste. Okay, it's nice but weird as well. Like you can kind of get a lemonade taste, so that's the main taste you're getting through. But you can also get a bit of taste of the avocado as well. Bit of a weird drink. It didn't really go to plan, to be honest. I was half expecting it to turn purple. I mean, that's what it showed online. So whether I have done the wrong recipe, I don't know. I'm going to put you on pause and let's see what Benny done, Mike and Scooter Sue, my two guinea pigs, think. Okay guys, so time for the two guinea pigs, Mike and Scooter Sue, to let me know what they think. But first off guys, In a bar?
In a bar?
Would you not get tappers with a drink? Bit of magic. Right, watch. Watch. Oh, not just one dish. 2 dishes of tappers. Some nice little biscuit things and bowl of nuts.
And the barman mix them.
3-leaf clover. Having a cigar, guys.
Kind of looks like eggnog, really, don't it? There's yours. There's yours.
Muchas gracias.
Enjoy. If you do get food poisoning, not my fault.
Reminds me of a snowball.
Saluto.
It's not purple, Marcus. What happened there? You've left someone out there.
No, I have followed the recipe.
It could be you're using the wrong Cointreau.
I didn't know, don't
You
we?
can get
Different
flavours.
ones.
Yeah, you got an orange one.
I don't know, guys. I don't know what I've done wrong, but what do you think, Mum?
Yeah, it looks like the old avocado, doesn't it? It's took over.
I mean, I'm not a fan of it, to be honest. I mean, it's nice, it's drinkable, but not something I went on a night out.
Yeah, I think the avocados just took over and it's a
Yeah.
lemonade.
It's nice though.
No. I could not drink that again. I mean, it cost me €25, guys, for the bottle of avocado and Cointreau.
We can use that on other things.
I suppose, yeah.
It's going to be making snowballs next.
Am I?
That's the white touch snows, Marcus.
And the Benidorm's
Maybe a
good to suit
Christmas
cocktail.
drink.
Yeah, make a nice Christmas drink, that would.
Mm.
If you're into the avocado and stuff.
I mean, who likes avocado nowadays, to be
Me.
honest?
There are 2 different types of avocado in Spain. It's a really thick one,
Yeah.
and this is
Pretty
more
rare.
like the English version of avocado.
Beware, because I bought the wrong one year and it was useless. It just didn't break up.
You just have to spoon it out the bottle. Don't you?
But nice. So that's
So, yeah, that's a joker, supposedly.
salute.
Salute mi familia.
Salute.
Yeah, man.
Cheers, you guys. Not the best one, I think, Marcus. What do you reckon?
Not the best one I've done, definitely. Couldn't agree more with that saying.
I think the best one you've done still is the Benidorm Marcus cocktail.
Benidorm Crazy Marcus cocktail, yeah, that was nice. Lethal, yeah, but nice. I don't think anyone
lethal?
has been brave enough to try making one yet. I do know my good friend JJ, she tried the jungle juice.
So let us know if you've tried any of these cocktails, guys.
Yeah. There's going to be a full series done, aren't you, Marcus?
Playlist.
Cocktail-
I'll
Full
put into
series
the playlist.
on the playlist, yeah.
Yeah, sort
The
of thing.
cocktails.
Yeah. So keep watching, guys. Stay
Keep watching.
tuned for more cocktails. See you next
You're going to get loads of views come Christmas. Sure of it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
He's just gonna let you watch us get drunk.
As always, guys, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Adios.